Hello all, my underserved group is the deaf community. Very few deaf constituents use their local library due in part to language barriers, lack of resources, and little to no promotion of deaf culture. My Pathfinder focuses on the online resources that are offering materials for this group. I will begin with the Association of Specialized and Cooperative Library Agencies. Through the association, there is the library service to people who are deaf or hard of hearing forum. The forum promotes deaf awareness both in the library community and within the deaf and hearing populations. They provide collections of resources in format accessible to the deaf, and they advocate for employment opportunities for deaf persons in libraries. The site also supplies a list of tips on how to interact with deaf patrons. For example, position yourself in a well-lit area for visibility, and use short sentences when speaking to a deaf person. These are just two of the many tips they offer. If you'd like to learn more, check out the link below. The Gallaudet University Library offers a comprehensive collection of deaf-related materials that ranges from 60 online databases, 40,000 plus streaming videos, and over 12,000 media items. In addition, the university, along with other colleges located in the DC metro area, are a part of the Washington Research Library Consortium. Through this association, the universities shares collections and information technology, providing enhanced resources available to students and faculty. I like how the universities share their collection among students and faculty, offering a wide range of information. The National Library Service for the Blind and Physically Handicapped works in conjunction with the Library of Congress to provide a free national library program that offers Braille and recorded materials to people who are blind, visually impaired, deaf, deafblind, and physically disabled. Individuals can receive reading materials in Braille or audio format by mail or digital download. I think it's great that this service works with the Library of Congress to supply U.S. libraries with resources for people with disabilities. American Sign Language Access promotes public access to American Sign Language, allowing both the deaf and the hearing population around the world to learn and appreciate sign language. They offer DVDs and videos along with reviews for the deaf community. They also encourage the deaf to offer suggestions and create their own sign language videos. American Access really takes into account the needs and wants of the deaf community. The Describe and Capture Media program provides accessible media that supports and improves the academic achievements for students who are blind, visually impaired, deaf, hard of hearing, or deafblind. There are well over 6,000 titles available for viewing, and the organization offers extensive information in relations to education, accessibility, deafness, blindness, and other similar topics. They provide great educational resources for teachers, parents, and students. The National Institution of Health website explains how assistive devices are helping people who have hearing, voice, speech, or language disorders to live their full lives. With the advancement of digital and wireless technologies, devices such as cochlear implants and hearing aids, along with augmentative and alternative communication devices like computer programs that can generate speech from text, are enabling people who live with these disorders to communicate. If you'd like to learn more, please check out the links provided. Thank you, and this concludes my presentation.